Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 6 best brake rotor that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started.
Autoverse Authority, where passion meets performance.
In our list, the number 1 product name is POWERSTOP C36 Brake Kit. Moreover, I appreciated the carbon fiber ceramic brake pads included in the kit. These pads are formulated to handle extreme braking conditions without sacrificing everyday comfort. The low dust performance meant I could keep my wheels looking clean even after heavy use, which is a big plus for me. I no longer had to worry about brake fade when towing my trailer uphill or navigating rough trails. Additionally, the drilled and slotted rotors stood out to me as a key feature. They are built to maintain lower temperatures by improving heat dissipation, even in the harshest driving conditions. Whether I was making a long mountain descent or hauling heavy loads, these rotors gave me peace of mind that my brakes would stay cool and perform consistently. Furthermore, the installation process was incredibly convenient. The kit came with premium stainless steel hardware, making it a simple bolt-on replacement. I did not need any special tools or additional parts. This made upgrading my braking system easy, even for someone like me who prefers to handle vehicle maintenance on my own. On the downside, I did notice that this kit is specifically designed for the rear brakes, so if you need a full set, you would need to purchase a separate front kit. Also, while the high-performance materials are excellent, they might come at a higher price point compared to standard brake replacements. In our list, the number 2 product name is POWERSTOP Brake Rotors Kit. When it was time to refresh the braking system on my daily driver, I turned to the POWERSTOP Brake Rotors Kit for my Lexus ES350. Right away, I felt confident knowing this kit was designed specifically to match original equipment performance. Everything needed for a smooth installation was included, making the process quick and straightforward. Additionally, the Z17 Evolution ceramic brake pads provided quiet, low-dust braking while maintaining reliable stopping power. I noticed that the ceramic formula helped keep my wheels cleaner compared to my previous setup. It is reassuring to know that these pads work seamlessly with the Auto Specialty stock replacement rotors to restore that factory fresh braking feel. Moreover, this kit is tailored to fit several popular models, including Lexus ES300H, Lexus ES350, Toyota Avalon, and Toyota Camry. It gave me peace of mind knowing that my Lexus ES350 was covered, regardless of its assembly location. The compatibility with different years and models ensured I had the right fit for my car. Furthermore, the kit came with stainless steel hardware, which made the entire installation process even more efficient. I appreciated that all components were designed to work together to maximize both performance and longevity. I felt confident that my vehicle's stopping power was restored to its original condition. In our list, the number 3 product name is WEIZE Front and Rear Brake Kit. When I needed a reliable brake upgrade for my truck, I came across the WEIZE Front and Rear Truck and Tow Brake Kit, and it quickly stood out. Designed specifically for heavy-duty performance, this kit provides a complete braking solution for Dodge Ram 1500, Ram 1500 Classic, Chrysler Aspen, and Dodge Durango models with 5 lug wheels. I was impressed by its compatibility with vehicles from 2006 to 2023, covering a broad range of models. Moreover, I appreciated that this kit includes both front and rear drilled and slotted brake rotors, along with carbon fiber ceramic brake pads. The drilled and slotted design helps keep the rotors cool, even during demanding tasks like towing and hauling. This was particularly important to me, as I frequently use my truck for work and need dependable braking performance under heavy loads. Additionally, the carbon fiber ceramic brake pads caught my attention because they are designed specifically for trucks and towing. These pads handle heavier loads better than traditional ceramic options. I felt confident that this kit would give me the extra stopping power I needed when pulling trailers or carrying heavy cargo. In our list, the number 4 product name is POWERSTOP Brake Kit. When I needed a reliable brake upgrade for my Toyota Tacoma, I chose the POWERSTOP brake kit from 37, and it turned out to be the perfect solution. The kit is designed specifically for models like the Toyota Tacoma with 6 lug wheels, the Toyota FJ Cruiser, and certain Toyota 4Runner models with 12.56-inch front rotors. Right away, I appreciated that everything required for installation came in one complete package, making the entire process smooth and stress-free. Additionally, I noticed a significant improvement in my vehicle's braking performance after installing this kit. The Z23 Evolution Sport brake pads are made from a carbon fiber ceramic material that not only delivers strong stopping power, but also minimizes brake dust. I no longer worry about dirty wheels after a long drive. The drilled and slotted rotors enhance cooling and prevent overheating, which is especially useful when driving in tough conditions or on steep roads. Furthermore, the durability of this brake kit is impressive. The rotors are built to resist rust and corrosion, ensuring they maintain their quality over time. This gives me peace of mind knowing my brakes will remain reliable for many miles. Plus, the ceramic pads operate quietly, providing a smooth and noise-free driving experience. In our list, the number 5 product name is Bendix PRT 5287 brake rotor. When I needed a reliable upgrade for my braking system, I chose the Bendix Premium PRT 5287 front brake rotor. Right from the start, I appreciated that it is designed as an original equipment replacement, meaning it fits perfectly with my vehicle. It gave me peace of mind knowing that this rotor is built to meet the same standards as the factory-installed parts. Additionally, I noticed a significant improvement in braking performance after installing this rotor. Whether I was navigating through busy city traffic or making sudden stops on the highway, the stopping power was impressive. It provided consistent and reliable braking, even under demanding driving conditions. Furthermore, the heat dissipation capabilities of this rotor stood out to me. Bendix premium rotors are designed to handle high temperatures, which reduces the risk of brake fade. This gave me confidence during longer drives and steep downhill roads, knowing that my brakes would maintain their performance. In our list, the number 6 product name is Raybestos Element 3 brake rotor. When I needed a reliable brake rotor upgrade for my Chevrolet Silverado, I turned to the Raybestos Element 3 front brake rotor, and I was not disappointed. Designed specifically for select Chevrolet and GMC models, including the Silverado 1500, Tahoe, Suburban, and Sierra 1500 Limited, this brake rotor is built to match original equipment precision and performance. Crafted from high-quality cast iron with a machined exterior finish, it offers a perfect fit for trucks, sport utility vehicles, vans, and all-terrain vehicles with a front measurement of 12.99 inches or 329.95 millimeters.